Today we are going to be learning about the volume of a cone and how to find it. Alright, so it's very similar to a cylinder, but the only difference is at the end we're going to divide by 1/3. Okay, and the reason why we do that is because in a cylinder you have all this extra area in here to count for volume. But as you can see, the cone tapers down, so that's a loss of volume. So we need to account for that, okay? But the very first step we're going to do is we are going to multiply the base, which is 6 centimeters, by pi, which was the same first step in a cylinder, okay? So we're going to do 6 centimeters times pi, which is 3.14. Can't forget that. And that comes out to be 18.84 centimeters. Can't forget the units. And we're only taking one because pi is not a part of the cone. It is just an extra entity that we add. Okay? And we're going to multiply 18.84 by itself to get the squared figure. Okay? So we'll go 18.84 by 18.84. And that's going to come out to 354.9. Okay, and we can't forget the units and bring them both down, so that's going to make it centimeters squared. Okay, now the next step, we're going to take this number right here, bring it down here. It's going to be 354.9 centimeters squared. We're going to multiply it by the height, which is right here. Okay, so 20 centimeters. Okay, and that answer comes out to be 7,098.9 centimeters cubed. Now it's cubed because we are taking these two, and this is already squared, and we're adding this one onto it. Okay, so then it's centimeters 2 plus centimeter, which is centimeters 3 cubed. Okay, now we're going to bring this number down here, and we're going to divide it by 1/3. Okay, so divided by 3 1/3, excuse me. Okay, and when we do that, the answer comes out to be 2366.3 centimeters cubed. Okay? Thanks for watching.